In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a first pull request with GitHub Desktop. By the end, you'll know how to take a local project, publish it to GitHub, create a feature branch, and open your very first pull request, all from the GitHub Desktop app. Start by opening GitHub Desktop. If you're not already signed in, make sure your GitHub account is connected so the app can talk to your repositories online. Have your local repository selected in the left sidebar so you're working in the right project. Next, click Publish Repository. This takes your local repo and creates a corresponding remote on GitHub. You'll see options like the repository name and visibility. Pick what fits your project and confirm any prompts. When you're ready, click Publish. After a moment, your code will be available on GitHub, and you'll see that the remote tracking branch has been set up for you. Now it's time to create a feature branch. In the top bar, click Current Branch, choose the option to create a new branch, give it a clear descriptive name, and publish that branch so it exists on GitHub as well. Good branch names briefly state the purpose, like feature update, readme, or fix login bug. Make sure you have at least one committed change on this branch so the pull request has something to compare. If your project uses separate configuration layers, this is a good moment to add them. Click on Plus Global, then click on Plus Workspace to include any relevant global or workspace configuration files so they're tracked on your branch. This keeps environment-specific or workspace-specific settings consistent across the team when the pull request is reviewed. With your branch ready, head to the Pull Request area. In GitHub Desktop, switch to your branch and look for the Pull Request tab or the prompt that offers to create a pull request from this branch. Click into that. The app will show you the base branch you're targeting, usually main, and your compare branch, which is the one you just created. Finally, click Create Pull Request. This typically opens your browser with the pull request form pre-filled. Add a short, clear title and a concise description that explains what changed and why. If your team uses linked issues, mention them in the description. When it looks good, confirm to create the pull request. Reviewers can now see your changes, comment, request updates, and eventually merge your work. That's it. Your first pull request with GitHub Desktop is live. Keep your branches focused, write informative commit messages, and you'll have smooth reviews every time.